And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello folks, it's me again in Ganawag, Utah's garage. Just showing you my, I guess you could say now it's my railroad spike collection. There's a couple of brand spanking new ones here. You can see there's a brand new one here. Brand new one, these all rusty. This is a brand spanking new one. New one. Rust bucket. Rust bucket. This one looks like it was kind of new. This one is new. These ones are old. Got them. Let me get this out of here. Got all kinds of. Well, I'm gonna do with them all. As I said in the previous video, I'm just gonna probably take some of the best ones, the straight ones, cut them off right about here, tap out the back, screw them on maybe a piece of wood because I have tons of oak and stuff. I can make a nice like plaque board with it, and then just polish them up and make a nice little rack, coat rack, key rack, whatever. I'm gonna look for some ideas online. It's not something new. It's not something I came up with. It's just something looks like fun to make. So I should be able to, in between painting and cutting stuff, because every time I do painting and stuff, sorry, I had to chew gum. Every time I'm painting something else, I try to find something else to do. So shit overlaps like that around here. So anyway, hope you like the short little video. Enjoy, and I'm going to sit by the pool because it's still goddamn hot. So like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hopefully I'll have 4 million views by 2069. Enjoy. Thank you. I'll turn this off now. There we go.